In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail theme. Customizing your Gmail theme is a great way to make your email experience more personal and visually appealing, making it feel just right for you. Let's dive into this simple process that will allow you to choose a theme that suits your style and personality. First things first, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Once you've logged in and see your inbox, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a little gear icon. This represents your quick settings, and it's the key to accessing a variety of customization options, including changing your theme. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to get started. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find a selection called Themes, nestled within the quick settings. Click on View All to explore the entire gallery of available themes. Gmail provides a wide variety of themes to choose from, ranging from minimalist designs to colorful patterns and stunning landscapes. Whether you prefer something simple and clean or something vibrant and eye-catching, there's likely an option that will catch your interest. Take your time browsing through the themes. You might find that experimenting with different themes can help you discover which one truly resonates with you. To preview a theme, all you need to do is click on one that piques your curiosity. The preview feature allows you to see how your inbox will look with that particular theme applied. This can be helpful in ensuring that it not only looks appealing, but also keeps your emails readable. Once you've found the theme that you like best, simply click on it to select it. After you've made your choice, locate the Save button, typically at the bottom right corner of the theme gallery. Click on the Save button, and just like that, your Gmail will transform to incorporate your chosen theme. It's as simple as can be, but that small change can make your daily email tasks feel a bit more enjoyable. A small tip to keep in mind: if you ever decide that your taste has evolved or you're simply in the mood for something different, you can always revisit these steps and change your theme again. Gmail makes it easy and fuss-free to switch up your theme whenever the whim strikes you, and that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can infuse a bit of your personal style into your Gmail account. So go ahead, try out a new theme, and make your Gmail experience more uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly personalized email space.